Good morning. So I'm awake and I've done a lot since I woke up. So the birthday was celebrated on the next day, which was the actual birthday, and I will tell you the truth, it is his first very peaceful tranquility birthday. This person is an extrovert and he's surrounded by noise, and this was quite a surprise to me as well, to see him celebrating his birthday in this way.
Happy birthday to you, your way. Happy birthday to you, your way. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Thank you, babe. I'm trying.
Let's go for breakfast, guys. So when you come here, you can choose to have your breakfast outside. Look how beautiful this is. You should ask for an outside breakfast. Here we are, guys. Oh my God, look at this. So here, guys, I was just having a moment with myself, a beautiful moment. I could even hear the crickets singing on the other side of the bush. It was quite a peaceful moment for me. So just a quick one on this place. This area here is for camping. It's quite beautiful. Even the plugs are working, so I was actually boiling water here. And you've got your dustbin there, your braai stand. So the entire area here, you can choose to put your tent anywhere you like. As you can see, there is the loo. You can put your tent here, you can put your tent there, put your tent there. You choose. That's how gorgeous this place is. You can put your tent here. You can choose where to put your tent. It's absolutely beautiful. Even this side. And you can put any size of a camping tent, as you can see. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So when we say camping, we're not talking about a place where you don't have the facilities that you could use. See, there's a bench. You can wake up, you can take a shower and still braai, sit around. I was sitting there on that bench. It was very peaceful. Yeah, so this is it. This place is gorgeous. As you can see there's a shower, so, and hot water for people who come for camping. And you have your small kitchen. If you see, let me just show you quickly. And there's a sink here. You see? There's a sink, your plug there, and this is the main. There's the main toilets. Here. Now this is the roofs. Don't know if I should be showing you this, but here we are. Gorgeous, gorgeous, guys. When you come for camping, this is for you. It's absolutely gorgeous. And you've got many toilets. It's not like one, you see? It's a couple of them. Look here. And there's a mirror, like a very long mirror in the toilet. Gorgeous, guys. When I tell you this is a proper lodge that you need, I am telling you it's a proper lodge. And this is how the boma look like. That's what it's called. Beautiful, beautiful.